Hello! Happy first birthday to Bishop! We're gonna open your gifts na. Oh, you open your first gift. This one is from Ate Hanabi. Yay! This one is from Tito Koji. This one is from Tita Mela. Tita Mela and Tito Earl. Thank you so much po. Wow! And shorts. Thank you so much po. From Tita Rose, Kuya Zach, and Lizaira. Oh. Wow! Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much po. Thank you so much. This one is from Ninang Lali, Tito EJ, Kuya Lian. Uy, wow! There. Buti na lang hindi mo binili.
Ano yan?
May suspender. From Lola Bibs and Lolo Hener. Wow!
Alam niya, ganyan ang gusto mo eh.
Oh, this one is Polo. Wow! Tita Shang and fam. Thank you so much po. Alam, mga katrabaho ko, alam nila kung ano yung mga kailangan ko. Ay! Bongga si Tita Shang. Thank you so much! Ang cute naman. Pang airport. Now, this one is from Tito King and Tita Tony. Thank you so much po from Ninang and Ninong. Ay, wow! Wow! For the summer. From Mowalu and Mowa Gray. Wow!
Papareho nung kay
Shorts.
Young Stripe.
Leggings na pants. So cute. Thank you po. Ang ingay mo po.
Oh, yan, di ba? Pareho ba nung kay Tina?
Pareha. Pareha.
Papalit mo na lang yung...
Thank you po. Another. Uy! Wow! Wow!
Ano yung
Crab
brand nila?
polo. H&M.
Ang H&M crab.
May logo lang. Ano ba? Bakit naman naging... Oh, for summer. Cute! This one is from Lola Tina and Lola Jojo. Thank you so much po. Ito pala.
Gifts. Ayun.
Ay, wow! Ang laki na. Ito yung sinasabi ni Tita Tina na malaki na nga. This one is from Tito Val, Takay B, and Ate Kendra. Oh, talking flashcards. So, mga flashcards siya. Thank you po. And, saktong-sakto, paubos na yun. Wipes! Organic baby wipes. Uy, mahal ito ah. Hindi nga ako bumibili nito eh. Thank you so much.
Pansit galing dun sa...
Ang cute! Mga towel. Wow, thank you po. And clothes.
Uy!
Sombrero. This one is from Ninong Bench and Ninang Lynette. So, Tuwawa and Goa, thank you so much po. Ay, wow, ang cute! Summer outfit din!
Uy!
Ang cute! Pero pang big boy na. Ang cute. Ano ba ito? Ito, alam, ang gaganda talaga ng gamit sa ginger snaps. This one is from Ninang Riza and Ninong Eric. So much, Ninang Riza and Ninong Eric. Riza at Eric, parang sobrang hirap buksan ng regalo. Wow! Asti. Wow! Hold up, Bibs. Bear. Ito yung ginagamit sa restaurant. Cute! Thank you po. Thank you, Ninang and Ninong. Ito na yung ito yung favorite na drum. Thank you po. Hindi na sila physical items, but more on monetary. This one is from Lola Lina and Lolo Bing. Ninang Chari and family. Tito Tommy and Tita Jade. Thank you so much po. Tito Chester, Tita Ange, and Tasha. This one is from Lolo Esmer, Lola Minda. Thank you so much po. And then this one is from Nanay. From Mamu. Yep. Thank you so much po for coming sa birthday ni Bishop. We really do appreciate your time and your effort to be with us on his very special day. Although hindi yun yung pinaka-birthday niya talaga. Originally, sa Feb 25 pa talaga siya. But, we needed to celebrate it in advance kasi so mga ninong and ninangs, thank you so much po for coming.